Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we will modify the folder structure for our sidebar component, but before that let me destructure this user. So here I'll just add curly braces, and inside here I'll take an object, and here we need full name, then we need username, then I need user ID. Okay, let me remove this console. Let me save this, and now we will modify the folder structure. So let's create a new folder inside the components and name it as sidebar. Hit enter, and I'll just move this sidebar.js inside the sidebar folder and click move. Okay, so now this folder has moved inside. So now it is asking me update imports from sidebar, so I'll say yes. So now it will change the import link. Let me save this, and this I'll rename it to index.js. okay, and I'll say yes again. Now okay, here also it has changed in the dashboard. Import sidebar. Okay, let me save this. So make sure that in the dashboard this import link is correct. Import sidebar from /component/sidebar. okay, because we are using the sidebar here, and now we have changed it to index, so this is fine. Now let's go back to index, and here inside the div I'll take two components. The first one is user, which we need to create, and the second one is suggestions. Okay, and here I'll add a class name that is going to be padding 4. Now we need to create this user component, but before, let's save this file. So now inside the sidebar folder I'll create a new file, and I'll name it as user.js. Hit enter, and here I'll say RAFCE, press tab. This will be capital, so user, I am a user. Okay, let me save this. Now the next component will be suggestions. So suggestions.js. Hit enter, and please wait a while, then you can type RAFCE, press tab. Okay, now we need to rename this to capital S. This is fine. Suggestions, I am suggestion. Let me save this. Let's go back to index, and here we need to import both this user and suggestion. So here I'll say import. Let's do one thing, let's try auto import. So here I'll say user, and if I click user, so it is auto imported. Same goes with the suggestion, this is auto imported. Let me save this. Now let's go back to the browser. Okay, so now as you can see, we have this I am a user, I am suggestions. So this is working fine. So I'll keep this video till this much only, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.